Hi, my name is Jamie Buston. I'm Service Manager here at Volkswagen Chatham. We are excited to share with you our new digital service experience that you will receive at every service visit. Upon arrival at the dealership, your advisor will conduct an initial inspection of your vehicle, gathering information necessary to ensure that we are addressing all of your service needs. At this time, you will receive the technology brochure. This will explain the process in detail of what you can expect. While working on your vehicle, your technician will create your personal inspection video, which will provide you with a condition report of various components, including lights, wiper blades, filters, fluid levels, belts, tires, and brakes. These will be measured using the colors green, yellow, or red. You will receive your inspection video through a text message and/or email. Simply click on the link and watch the video from the comfort of wherever you're at. Should there be anything that needs to be addressed, you will receive a second text. By clicking on the link, you can view your estimate. Simply select the items you want to have completed and submit. Should there be any questions about the recommendations, you can contact your advisor to obtain further explanation. Should you decide to share this video or estimate with someone, simply forward the text to them and they will be able to open the attached links. This new approach will help keep you informed on the overall health status of your vehicle, as well as involve you in making the right decisions to ensure driving your vehicle continues to be enjoyable and safe.